What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing something that nobody would ever even consider putting inside a Nissan 370Z. Do you remember when I installed the Tesla style screen? Yeah, this one. Well, after researching what makes a Tesla... Why is it so always windy? After researching what makes Tesla unique, I thought about something and, well, here it is. This is the sonic horn. It's basically an external speaker. Well, it is an external speaker. You can feed it with 4 customized audio files, and you can control it with this remote fob. I have a feeling that I'm gonna get flamed for doing this as a mod, but think about all of the shenanigans or things that you can do. I don't know. Anyway, let's go install this. You basically get the sonic speaker with a USB-A male cable and power wires. And also the remote fob. With an 8mm socket, remove the mounting bracket of the speaker so that you can have a better time mounting this. Since the 370Z engine bay is so cramped as it is, we will be installing it on the driver's side behind the front bumper. So yeah, you'd have to remove the bumper, and no, you don't have to remove the headlights. That's for other reasons. Obviously, unhook the negative terminal of the battery for this installation. Remove the 10mm bolt holding the OEM horn bracket. So this is how we're going to mount everything. The speaker will be mounted to the previous horn location, and then the horn will be moved below the speaker mounting bracket. I got a bunch of spare 10mm bolts and U-clips, so that's what we're going to be using to remount the horn. Then reinstall the speaker to the mount, and it should look like this. For the wiring, you can use any switch 12-volt power and ground it to the chassis, but I extended the power wires, then tapped into my party switch along with my RGB headlights and underglow temporarily. I really need to clean up the wires on this. It'll be dealt with, I promise. For the USB cable, it should be in an accessible, safe location. Right now, it's temporarily zip tied to the chassis behind the driver's side headlight. Turn on the power. Plug the USB into your laptop, click and drag your files into the drive, and you should be good to go. You can go to the Sonic Horn website and download an MP3 file from their list, or you can make your own if you'd like.
You can't park there, sir.
Pro tip: enumerate your files so that it'll correlate to the remote keys.
Later.
I'm a little bit scared because it's really loud.
Me too.
Come on, mate. You can't park there, sir. What's that?
Okay, what about this one? Because this is like...
Can I get a...
It's really dangerous.
Oh boy.
Okay, I thought it was a little bit loud, but, well, nah. Check out the affiliate link in the description box and use EV370Z on checkout so you can get 10% off of your order. Support the businesses that support the channel. Always windy here. I need a garage. I'm manifesting in this YouTube space that I will get a garage soon. Mark my words. Thank you so much for bringing me up to 28. Are we on 2,800 subscribers now? 2,800 subscribers. The last video was, I believe, 24. So it's slowly growing, and I really appreciate you for, subscribing and following my shenanigans. Thank you so much for watching this. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe as usual. You can follow me on Instagram at its.ericvenzon, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, folks. Well, here it is. Let's do that like maybe 2-3 times. Well, here it is. Oh, well, here it is. I would be mad if it wasn't recording. Well, here it is. Well, here it is.